Yo, what's going on? Yo, what's going I don't know why my chat box, it's always like it just disappears every single time I start stream, which is so annoying, but it's all good. I'm gonna put on some music. Yo, what's going on, guys? Thanks so much for waiting and being so very patient. Really appreciate it. We're gonna do a lot of stuff today. Hopefully, we can get a lot done. I figured out some stuff that was going on with the invite bot. How do you guys host your bot because Horrible shut down? Use a VPS, or it's probably just something with your proc file maybe. Damn, Cos Martins, that sucks. All right, let's see. Okay, I'll be right back real quick. Give me 1 sec. All right, sorry about that. I'm back. Can you do a tutorial on creating invite bot? Yeah, I will. Yeah, I get this all the time. It's pretty annoying. Okay. Oh boy, so what did I do yesterday? Well, I didn't really do this yesterday. I started yesterday, but I worked on a default role and like a logging channel. So if you guys want, feel free to join the support server for. Hold on, let me just make sure I got the correct link. You guys can come and test out the bot. Sec. Here we go. And pretty much, I don't even know what I'm gonna do, but we're gonna work on some stuff. My bot doesn't have manage role permissions. I should probably give it manage role permissions. I don't know. I mean, I could add like pretty much a bunch of different commands, but it'd be pretty boring. So I'm probably thinking of adding, I don't know, I'm thinking about combining like all of my bots that I've made into just like one bot. So I was thinking maybe I can implement some kind of like ticket system or a mod mill system or a warning system, something. Who knows? Yo, what's going on, Ferris? What's going on, Cospatot? Do a tutorial teaching how to verify bots, XD, what to put in every field, etc. Yeah, maybe first I gotta become a verified bot developer first. That's the first step. Damn, it's still not giving the role for some reason. I do have a role set up, but it doesn't give it, which sucks. Even though my bot has manage roles permission. That is concerning. Oh, it is giving the rules. That's awesome. Awesome. Alright. I think maybe what I'll do is I'll probably add role reactions to this bot, because let me tell you guys something. For the longest time, I've been thinking about ditching Zero, which is my current bot over here over here. On my server, I've been thinking about ditching Zero. I mean, it works fine. I don't have any complaints about it. I just rather keep everything in just one bot. Am I gonna make a dashboard for it? At some point, I would like to. But obviously, I need some data from my bot first, so I want to work on that. But I mean, I think I have enough data right now. The invite links and all that kind of stuff could be good enough for a leaderboard that I can work on. But we need more data, so I'll like wait a little bit. Once we have enough data, I can start playing around with it and then using that to shape the way the dashboard is gonna look like. Because it's very hard to tell when it comes to making a dashboard. You need to have like, you need to know all sorts of data that you have. Yeah, there we go. Okay. Alright, oh boy. I mean, I could make like a role reaction bot and then add like a configuration through the dashboard, but why won't my music bot work on my VPS? I have no idea. You know, I was thinking about adding music commands too. Alright, anyways, I want to set up, I guess role reactions first. So I think the last time I did this, I did do it a while ago. I made a video and we used Mongoose, so we're basically doing the same thing. So I'm trying to think about how this would work because, let's see. The main problem with the role reaction bot that I had was the events were in two separate files. And so whenever we actually fetch the reactions, there was no way to get the data between the two. So I think I might need a global event emitter to get the data, but I think I might know what to do. Hey, I'm back again. How's it going? Yo, Jamal, what's going on, man? How's it going? Mystery, what's up? He has to get his bot in 75 servers. Yeah, facts. How many servers is my bot in right now? 24? Damn, we got 51 to go. 51 servers that we need our bot in. That's the goal. Let's see. Here's the invite if you want it. You can test it out and report bugs. There's a server. I posted the link to the server. But yeah, there's gonna be a lot of stuff. If people want to, you guys can request some features that you like the bot to have. Preferably like unique features, like not some boring stuff like moderation commands like ban and kick. I want to do some unique stuff, but I'll add it just to add it. Not a big deal. But I definitely do want to add music bots. Like I definitely do want to add the music command. Uh, I want to add the music command. Yo, holy crap! Yo, our bot just joined 7 other guilds just now. Damn, you guys are insane. It's not updating the member count though. I should probably update it. I mean, I could probably get that rid of here. What is it? Bot info. I don't think the global members was updated, or maybe. Oh crap! 2 more people just got it. It went up by like I think another 200. 1 more guild. Wow, that's crazy. Puppeteer integration so you can provide web URL on the screenshots of the page. I was thinking about something like that. I would have to play around with Puppeteer for a while. Can you make the bot open source? Okeanis. You know what I was thinking? I was thinking about doing this today. I was thinking the people who are supporting me and helping me out by inviting the bot. What I was thinking about doing is the first 75 people or the first 75 to 100 people that invite the bot to the server. What I'll do is I'll give the source code to them, and then after that I'll private the source code. So you'll have the entire bot. You can self-host it. You don't have to host it on my server. But I'll probably release the source code after the bot hits like maybe a thousand guilds. So I mean, yeah, obviously it does become problematic when people want to share the code, but I don't really care because if you want to use the code for yourself and host on your own server, that's fine. But just know that it's not going to receive the updates that I'm going to put out. So that's completely up to you, but I'm okay with whatever. But I don't want to release the source code yet, obviously, right now, because there's a lot of things that I'm working on. And I want to make sure that it provides a set of utilities that people can actually use. So, yeah. Memes command. Yeah, I could do a memes command. Make sort of Discord JS documentation if you want to know something about fetching rules. You just run the command, do a captcha verify. Like you scrabble a word and you have it unscrabble it as a game. Oh, that'd be pretty cool. Oh, yo, that would be pretty cool. Like a Scrabble game. Oh, I see. So you would get some like random word from an API, you'd scramble it up, and then you'd have the person guess it. That's pretty cool. I wonder, you know what? You know, it'd be cooler if we made Scrabble on Discord. Lee John, read your idea. Make sort of a Discord JS documentation. So if you want something about fetching rules, you just run the command. Oh, I think I did that, Lee John. I did something over here. Docs p role, something like that. I did something like that earlier. Which is better for making bots, Discord JS or Python? I like Python. I like the Discord Pi framework, so I'm gonna have to say Discord Pi. Everyone's gonna hate me for that. Anton, do a verification system that works like alt identifier. Have you ever heard of that bot? I think I've heard about it. Oh, I know what you're talking about. You have to authenticate yourself with a third-party account like Battle.net or Steam, and then once you do that, it will then allow you on the server. I know what you're talking about. Cards getting too many. It'll be, oh yeah, an anti-nuke system. Maybe an anti like a lockdown command, maybe. Okay, that'd be pretty cool. You know, I'm thinking about doing some Dino videos later on this channel. I'll probably focus on them maybe, I don't know, maybe this week or maybe next week. Who knows? I want to make some Dino videos because I know Dino is pretty cool right now. Like, there's so much hype about it, and it's actually really nice. So, I don't know, man. Maybe we'll implement our own Discord library with Dino. That'd be pretty fun. Anyways, let me check how many guilds. Damn, 47 guilds. Let me see something real quick. Dino does not replace Node, and it's never going to replace Node. However, it will provide a lot of functionalities that the original creator talked about and how he disliked how it was done originally. So Dino is pretty much a solution to a lot of the problems that Node has. It doesn't replace Node. Node is like way too far in to ever be replaced that quickly. Okay, cool. I just restarted the bot. Still same amount, so that's fine. Alright, let's see. How am I gonna do this? This is gonna be something different. That is a good idea, X-Blade. Anti-nuke is a good idea. I might do that in the next video. You can add a message encryption, allow you to encrypt the message with a key, share the key, provide their decrypt. That guy, Jamal, either one of them is fine, but JavaScript is very popular for web development. Python is more popular for data science. But if you want to do software engineering, JavaScript would be a good language to learn. I would say focus more on JavaScript. You're going to see more JavaScript jobs, in my opinion. That also depends on your location, though. Yeah, that's a good idea, Jules. Okay, let me actually plan out this roll reaction bot, because I don't want to just, like, kind of, like, sit here and just like, kind of, like, think it through without writing some stuff down. So let me just write some stuff down real quick. Roll reaction bots. Oh, we got a new follower. Oh, we got a new donation. Lee John, thank you so much for donating the $3, dude. I really appreciate it. It really means a lot. Dude, you're awesome. MD5, yeah, there are a lot of awesome hashing algorithms or encryption algorithms. Alright, I guess for now we're just gonna need some commands, some just basic commands. I think it's very similar to how, I guess, Zero works. You select the message that you want it to be, that you want it to listen to reactions to. I think that's the same thing how I did it in my version 12 tutorial, but I'm not gonna look back at it, though. I'm trying to just think, like, of a different solution that we could probably do. So, let's see. I guess the way it works is you have the user send a message first, and then once they send the message, you can just set up the roles and stuff. So you'll ask them for, like, the emoji, the role ID, or whatever. Learned a lot from your J speaker too. I'm glad, man. Will it work like Carlbot? I've never used Carlbot before. I've used it once, but I don't precisely remember how Carlbot works. Let's see, Carlbot. I've used it once for roll reactions, though. Let me look it up real quick. RR make starts interactive setup. RR add. Here's what I'm gonna do. So for the database, we're gonna need something called, I guess, roll reaction config. And what I want it to do is there needs to be the message ID. So this is the ID of the message to check for reactions. And then there's also going to be other fields too. I think the emoji role mappings. So this is just going to be a map. And this map is going to map every single emoji to a role. So emoji ID, role ID. What other things should I need? I think that's pretty much it, realistically. Damn, chat's active. For verification, you will need your ID or driver license. Yeah, I got that. That's not a problem. And you should make a premium process so you can pay money for each bot. Yeah, I was thinking about that. I was thinking, you know what? If you want, you can pay, like, what, $2 to unlock more cool features. I was thinking about that. Does the bot have a help command? Not yet. I mean, it does, but it doesn't really work that well. Hello everyone. When your bot has enough servers, high stream, what software is that? It's called Dynalist. What are you doing today? We're working on our bot. We're adding more features to it. You post Minecraft videos. That's awesome. Yeah, I've seen that happen before, Carl. I've seen that happen a lot. Damn, yo, we are 25 guilds away. But I heard, let me actually check something real quick. I kind of do need to look at some previous code just to make sure that I'm doing the design correctly. Okay, so yeah, I only had a message ID as well as a emoji role. Um, and I had two. I remember I had two commands. It was add reaction, and basically you had to provide an ID of the message, and then we had to fetch the message to check if it exists. Okay, that's good. That's we can do that. It's 5:20 here. You're late. This is Discord JS. Discord JS. Okay. So yeah, the role reaction. This is going to be the database model, so that's going to be fine. Yeah, I think that should be fine. In terms of implementation, the idea is have the user pass in an ID along with the add reaction command. So something like add reaction message ID, and then this is going to start up a prompt. It's going to ask you to provide every single emoji that you want to use along with the role that it maps to. And I think that is really it. It's going to look really ugly with the interactive setup, but it's going to be fine. And we'll have to make it a little bit more advanced, such as adding more options, such as toggling roles, a bunch of stuff. So that's going to be the goal for the next, I guess, 2-3 hours or so. I plan on getting off at like 8 o'clock. So, yeah. But I'm also looking at the chat. So if you guys have questions, let me know, man. Will you be using MongoDB? Yes, we're using MongoDB and we're using Mongoose as an ORM to map everything. One thing you should also do is enter this command which plays a live radio station. The real question is who still listens to radio stations in 2020? Unless you're driving a car that has no infotainment system. How do you host your bots? I use a VPS. You know what? I should also link my DigitalOcean referral link if you guys want. I'm not sponsored by DigitalOcean. Maybe someday I can be. But if you guys want, I made a whole playlist on my YouTube channel that shows you how to get started with DigitalOcean. And if you sign up with my referral link, which I'll link right over here. If you sign up with my referral link, you'll get $100 worth of DigitalOcean credit within 60 days. So after 60 days, if you don't use up all of the $100 credit, it's gone. That's it, it's gone. So you have 60 days to use everything up. And it's a good way to experiment with how DigitalOcean products work, and it's very easy to use. So I highly suggest you check it out and see how it works. But other people can argue that other VPSs are better. So I've only used DigitalOcean before though, so I can't really speak on behalf of the other services. Remove reaction. So this is going to remove reactions. And I think what else, the way Zero works is you can remove a specific emoji that becomes unchecked. So let's see. Remove reaction. What else? I think, how does Zero work? I kind of want my bot to be inspired by Zero. Cause I really like it, to be honest. Like, I've never had any issues at all with Zero ever. Like, this bot is actually really fucking nice. And no, I said freak. I didn't swear. Please, YouTube, please don't demonetize me. That's not what I wanted to do. Oh, you can remove. So you remove what the emoji, and then rabbiter. Okay, that's fine. Rust game bot. When will I get a pie? If I get a pie, I'm probably never gonna get a pie, to be honest. Yeah, that's the annoying part. Like, I really wish DigitalOcean allowed you to sign up with the GitHub Student Developer Pack without having to attach a credit card. I think that would be fair. I've never played Rust before, so I'll have to look into it. AWS, yeah, AWS also has a free tier too, which is good for like 1 year. I've had it for 1 year and I never really used it. I only used it to deploy like some Java apps for school. That was pretty much it. Okay, let's see. Let me change this to RM reaction. And let's see what else. They have a toggle. The design is gonna take a bit. What is the prefix for my bot? Semicolon. OVH is $3 a month. Yeah, that price is good, and they have good specs. Azure is also good. Okay. All right. So here's what I'm thinking. We can save the guild ID as well as the channel ID. We don't necessarily need the channel ID, but I want to save as much data as possible. And then let's see, member log. We're not gonna need this, so let's get rid of that. All right, Jamal, have a good one, dude. Good luck. MySQL, if there's a lot of relational data, MongoDB for something simple. Yo, what's going on, Yadibull? How's it going? Cloud Sigma? I've never heard about it before. I'll look into it. Thanks for letting me know. Yo, Death Singer, what's going on, dude? Appreciate the dedication. Alright, so the message ID, this part is going to be very important. Required true, unique, true. And then we're going to need emoji rule mappings. This part is going to be required as well. And then, oh wait, no, the type is going to be a map. Sorry. I think that's mongoose.schema.types.map. There we go. Awesome. I think that's all we need for role reactions. Oh, I'll add one more field toggle. So toggling, how does toggling work? It means that you only are able to have one role at once, right? Or yeah, one role at once. So that's good. So there's normal, there's toggle, there's once. We're not going to worry about once, but we can add that later. That's more of a the desired feature. This is going to be a boolean. By default, we'll set the value to false. Okay, I think we have a pretty good schema for our role reaction config, so that's good. Will you make a showcase playlist like testing members bots? Maybe. I've been thinking about that. That would take a long time though, but I started if you guys want, you guys can check out my Patreon. There's a link in the description. There's a lot of cool stuff. I think I forgot to add one thing in my tier. And that is let's see, there was one thing that I forgot to add. Let me check it out real quick. Yeah, there we go. It's there. I remember to add it. Like, yeah, I just found bug my CLI thanks to one person Discord asking a question. That's good. Why not add a toggled 4? Low select a toggle roll reactive for X hours. That could be good. That is a good idea. Alright, let's see. Toggle. Okay, I think we're good. So we're gonna need to go inside. I think once I'm done with this bot, I'm gonna release the source code. And then I'm gonna migrate to a framework like Classa. I've been thinking about using it. I was gonna use Commando, but Commando doesn't support event handlers. Or I mean, you can just write your own, but still, I want something that's just like out of the box, works, everything's fine, don't have to do any configuration. So I'll probably just switch over to Classa. Excuse me, I'm tired. Dano, I've never tried it yet. I'm working on it though. Have a Dino Discord server. Let me know if you want an invite for those who are interested. This is gonna be for Dino discussion. Let's see. I slept at 10:30. Woke up at 3:30 a.m. in the morning. Still tired, but better than yesterday. Tonight will be better though. Okay, so let's see. When they trigger the reaction, when they trigger this command, they're gonna have to pass in the ID. So const ID, we're gonna use array destructuring to get it from the args, because args is an array. And then from here, we're gonna fetch the message. So let's do this. And we're gonna do const reaction message equals await. I think it's channel dot messages dot fetch. Pass in the ID. So if reaction message exists, so if the message actually exists, then we're good. If it doesn't, then what we'll do is let me do this. What does this do? What does this bot do? Timmy T11. This is a invite manager bot. Well, it's a replication of invite manager. So for example, on my server, I can type invites, and it's gonna show I have 65 invites. When the member leaves, it's going to decrease by 1. When they join, it's going to increase by 1. So right now, there's only like that main feature, but there's other commands I need to work on, such as invite, like leaderboard and stuff. That's the primary one. Yeah, you can invite it if you want. Here's my I'll give you my Discord server. Here you go. Whoops. I think yeah, there we go. So you can just join the server, and then there's an invite link. I'm not about the source code. What I'm gonna here's my plan with the source code. Once this bot, if we can get verified, and if I can get this bot to like maybe like 500 guilds, what I'll do is the first 75 people who have my bot, I'll send you the source code. And then after that I'm going to actually I don't know. I mean, I could just release it and then move on to a bigger framework and just redesign everything. But I'll see what I can do. Unknown Jesse, I finished it already actually, so it works right now. It only works if you're an owner though. So if you do setup role, it'll ask you for the role name or ID. So just do setup, and you'll see that it has 2 configurations right now. We can add more later though. Yeah, that's the main thing though. You got to be a little bit careful. Here's what it does is it fetches the invite whenever someone joins. Whenever I think someone leaves, I think. No, I don't think it fetches when someone leaves. It only fetches it when the bot goes online and whenever someone joins the server. So if you have a lot of people joining at the same time, then that can be an issue right now. So we'll have to see how things work. But maybe what I'll do is I'll just release the invite code, as well as the tutorial. We'll see what happens. Anyways, let me finish this roll reaction feature. Alright, so I need to start my bot locally, so it's not going to affect the current bot right now. Unknown message. Oh, wait, what the hell? Oh. Okay, I got it. One sec. I'm gonna do this instead. And then if no reaction return, I think this should be fine. Here we go. That's the first step. Second step, let's go ahead and actually create a channel. Hold on. Alright, Timmy, have a good one, man. Take it easy. Let me do this. Oh, I need to actually get the emojis. That's whack. But what emojis do I even have on the server? Alright, let's use other emojis then. C Sharp, Python. I wonder if this would actually work though. Hold on, what's going on? That's weird. Why did that not work? Are reactions disabled or emojis disabled? Yo, IGG Studios, what's going on? That is very weird. Not sure what's going on right over here. Oh, maybe I can actually do that. I mean, I should be able to. Works just fine here. No, I don't really like that. Okay, there we go. It wasn't. That was so weird. Okay. There we go. I use DigitalOcean to host. Okay, so now I can just copy the ID and I could just do reaction and there shouldn't be any errors at all. Okay, so since the message exists from here, we can continue. Hey man, recently bought an RDP off someone. They used my bot so we can do server. I don't know what RDP is. Oh, that. I can't use a new line character. What the hell? All right. So the emoji name. Let's see. If I remember correctly, the emoji name cannot have spaces. I think what happens is it gets escaped. I forgot how I did it originally. VPS is very simple to use. What is my bot for? Right now we're working on the reaction roles system. Give me one sec. Yo, Omar, what's going on? Oh yeah, I definitely agree. I definitely agree. It's not good to make one bot that does everything. I'm not gonna combine like everything in one bot though. I mean, you know what? Maybe what I could do is I could just make my own custom role reaction bot and then maybe get that one verified too. That'd be pretty funny. Imagine every single one of my bots that I created on my YouTube channel were verified. That'd be insane. You get verified, you gotta be have 75 member. Yeah, you gotta have your bot in 75 guilds. Do I have any verified bots? Not yet. Hopefully soon, but not yet. Okay. And we need a collector for the channel, so what we'll do is let's do this. Const messages equal 8 channel. And the filter, let's see, we can have a pretty complex one. Let's do this. M dot ID is equal to message, so authored ID. Do you have a tutorial for making a music bot for beginners? I do. I have 2 of them, 3 of them, I think. You can find all sorts of stuff on my channel. Yeah, no problem, man. Feel free to check it out. Yeah, Abdul, thank you so much for subscribing. Really appreciate it. And you should also be able to provide the ID of the emoji too. So ID emoji and then some random rule. And it's gonna get logged just fine. Alright, that's perfect. Okay. I'm gonna need to get the emoji, so const. Actually, let me just return. Because I don't want to write another if case. Kartik Ikana, I'm glad to hear that, man. The fact that people who are watching my videos are become verified bot devs is a good sign. I don't know. I just make videos. I'd rather make videos than. Yo, Mohammed Shadhan, thanks for subscribing. Really appreciate it. Alright, so this should give us the emoji name or ID, and this should also give us the rule name or ID. Okay. That's called object destructuring. And IG Studios, yes, I will. It's coming soon. Just hang tight. Alright, Cospatot, have a good one, man. Thanks for checking out the stream. And by the way, Miz, so it's something called object destructuring. I would suggest you look it up. It's a very useful technique. Give me 1 sec. I'm gonna be right back. Yo, guys, I really appreciate the awesome comments, man. Thank you so much. Have you ever heard of JetBrains WebStorm? Yes. Well, WebStorm is more for web development. If you want something for bot development, if you're using JavaScript, you could probably use WebStorm. I personally prefer VS Code because it's lightweight, doesn't take up too many resources, and it's easy to use. And it's lots of love and support from India. Yo, that's awesome, dude. What part of India? In the Netherlands? That's dope. Yo, by the way, if you guys are new to the channel, feel free to check out the Discord server. We're almost at 1,800 members. If we could hit that tonight, that'd be dope as well. What's up, Miss Zero? Hey, that's what's up. What would you suggest me for making moderation music? Moderation, obviously the basic commands. Make sure you have a purge, lockdown command, lock server command for anti-raid. Music bots, you can just look at all of the commands that I have already. Moderation, etc. Oh, look, I see me on the member list. Yeah, I know what you mean. I'm probably gonna integrate a music bot. I'm probably gonna keep the music bot separate from this though. I think maybe I'll just leave this at role reactions because role reactions is very simple. But of course, it's gonna be more database calls. So I don't know. Maybe at some point I'll just take this away and put in a different bot. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see how things go. Yo, Colts, what's going on, man? You look really familiar. I think I've seen you before on my Discord server. And I'll probably make my own ticket bot too. We'll see. All right, so what is this CPP? And then in the logs, you're gonna see that it's gonna get logged as. Oh boy, that's not supposed to happen. It should be space comma. It's like that. Nodemon is very handy. I think I messed up somewhere. Hold on. I need to do the space and the comma right over here. Yeah, not sure why that is I'm find. Just every single time the guild joins, the bot joins a new guild. Every single time members go or member joins, it gets updated, etc. Alright, Lee John, thanks so much again for doing, man. Really appreciate it. Have a good one, dude. Oh, wait, what? Hold on. Oh, wait, I got it the other way around, actually. It's supposed to be a comma space. There we go. Yo, Anish. What's going on, bro? How's it going? Perfect. Alright, that's fine. What kind of chess games? Like Grandmaster ones? Alright. Alright, so from here, we're gonna have to find the emoji. So what I'll do is, let me see something real quick. National, international, yeah, chess is pretty fun to watch. Get Up Dark. Oh yeah, I'll look into that. Thanks for letting me know. I've been wondering, yeah, why isn't there Get Up Dark? Alright, Miz, have a good one, dude. Let me change the song. Stylus. I'm checking it right now. Checking it right now. Stylus, Chrome. Custom themes, I see. Dark mode is the way to go. I can't stand using light mode except for some applications. The only exceptions is Facebook Messenger and Stack Overflow. Those are the only two websites that just don't go well with dark mode, in my opinion. And nah, I like the Discord JS documentation. I think it's just fine. Snack-sick. I have a video on my channel. If you want to take a look at it, it should give you an idea of how command handlers work and how you can create them. You know what I'm gonna do? Actually, I don't know if I should because that's gonna take. Let's see. I'll just do tools. I mean, I could just do this. To be honest, I could just do map. So I don't have to compare this to lowercase. And I don't have to compare this to lowercase. Saves me a couple characters to the left. Have I ever used Eris? I've never used Eris before. I've used Discord IO before. Let's see if the Discord IO website does it still exist. Oh no, this is not it. That's not it. That was not it. Why don't you use object for command options? You can leave the name part before aliasing options. Oh, you mean like an object literal instead of classes? Oh yeah. Yeah, I know what you mean. I don't know. The reason why I did the base command thing was because I was when I was working on one of my Discord bots, I was basically making my own custom framework. Um, and I just like the idea of just using classes because I haven't really used them for a while. And I think the primary reason why I wanted to do it was because I know a lot of people don't really know about classes and much about object-oriented programming. So I wanted to kind of like introduce that in a way, so people can like get the idea of like understanding how classes work. But in terms of like the actual design of the class though, I wasn't really a fan of the design of the base command or base event class because I mean that's only because um in JavaScript there really isn't abstract methods. Like if it was in TypeScript, it would have been so much better because you would have had an abstract method that you can override in your subclasses, which would have been awesome. That's why I was much more excited for TypeScript support with Slappy, which is basically going to be so much better. But yeah, like I don't know, I realized that after I made it that the base command design was so trash, and like there was like absolutely like no point to it whatsoever. But I don't know, I think definitely wanted to introduce classes though, but maybe that wouldn't have been the best way. But yeah, this was the I used this library one time and I joined the Discord server. Yeah, this is a dead library. I mean, for some reason, it still gets 1,000 weekly downloads, so people are still using it. I remember the last time I saw someone use it, they joined the server like a month ago, and they were trying to make a Discord bot in Discord IO. Um, Actually, I'm not gonna lie, I do give this library credit though because it was actually very easy to understand the source code, and I was able to use this to build my own custom. Like I didn't fully finish it, but it was very easy to just build a library. Like I just looked through the entire code and saw how everything was done. And yeah, 3,000 lines all in one file. Yeah, JS isn't really object-oriented. It has object-oriented features, but I can't stand, you know, just not being able to use object-oriented. I like object-oriented programming, though, a lot. Project Blue? I thought you were gonna say Discord Lite. Is Project Blue for Dino or something? Oh, this is the same guy that made what's it called? Classa, right? Is this gonna? It's probably gonna have out of the box Dino support. Yeah, man, everyone's hating Discord JS. They're making their own. They're making their own libraries. No, I'm just kidding. What's with all these libraries though? Anish, do you know if Class or I don't know if you've ever used them before, but I'm wondering if there's a framework that has some kind of like state management. Like I think I look at Class and there was something called stores. I'm guessing that's what it is. Basically, a way to kind of like transmit or not transmit, but like use data from one file to another. I'm pretty sure that's stores though. Discord just as a monopoly, kind of, pretty much. Yeah, I mean. What did Miss ask? Anson, I have one question. Why would you use webhooks instead of a normal message? So webhooks are cheap. They don't really cost much whenever you use webhooks. They're very cheap messages. You don't necessarily need a Discord bot. I mean, actually, you kind of, well, okay, so you need a webhook client. You need a webhook on your server, I think, to use the webhook itself. But I don't think you actually need a bot to use a webhook, though. Like, you can actually make a webhook request using, like, Postman or something like that. Use Classa. Yeah, so Classa probably has the stores, the state management. That's what I was referring to. That's why I was thinking, you know, I'm probably just gonna move to Classa because of that. Oh damn. Yo, someone get Anish some headphones, man. Someone get him some headphones. Alright, Miz, have a good night, man. Take it easy. Alright, there has to be a way that I can send this emoji to the channel, right? Like I can just, I'm pretty sure I should be able to just send that emoji to the channel. Let's see. Yeah, you can't. How would you send an emoji? I think maybe we could do with this, maybe? Let's see. Class uses fs nextra, which uses atomicity for writing into JSON files, which reduces, at least removes the JSON corruption. Is create message collector a new feature v12? No, it's been there. You should make a video about the enlightening experience of browsing through the Discord JS repo and learning stuff. I should, you know, I did spend a lot of time looking through the Discord JS source code, and I'm gonna be honest, it did teach me a lot of things about structuring and design patterns and just how they design everything. So, fs nextra. When you actually take some time to look into how someone implements something, you'll learn a lot. Especially if you take the time to learn to like read into like well-maintained libraries like Discord JS. I really think it's a good way to learn, but obviously don't overwhelm yourself with doing that right now. Just wait until you get to a point where you'll feel more confident. Everyone always says you should contribute to open source, but I think you should really only start doing that when you feel like you're ready, and that can be whenever. The color theme is One Dark Pro, in case I didn't answer. There we go. That's exactly what I wanted. That is perfect. Okay. Discord JS v13 is a huge rewrite in TypeScript. There's a Discord JS v13 mono repo. I don't even know what that means. What does that even mean? Is a single repository that stores all of your code and assets for every project using a mono repo is important. Oh yeah. Damn, they're going straight into 13. When's that coming out though? Like next year? Or later this year? That'd be crazy if they released version 13. Everyone's gonna have to migrate from version 12 to version 13 immediately. Hassan, I'm trying to implement a role reaction bot right now. Okay, there we go. I think that should be it. So what I'll do maybe is, let's see. Should I even bother storing these into... Oh, I think I need to store it... Yeah, I need to store it in a map. What am I talking about? Okay, so const... emoji role mappings, map. Okay, and then what I'll do is I'll do emoji role mappings dot sets, and that's gonna be the emoji.id role ID. I think that's how I did it in my original implementation. I definitely saved it in a map somewhere. Yeah, I'm just double checking. Yup. And once it's done, we save it to the database. Perfect. We're almost there. Oh yeah, V11 is going to be deprecated. That's true, yeah. I heard about the intent, yeah. I read about it. That's pretty cool. Damn. Max B01B. Mod applications are never closed. They're always open. And, yeah, I just literally look through it. And then I read it and stuff. And then if I like it, then we'll reach out to you. But we never quote unquote close them. They're free for anyone to, you know, You can apply. There's a link on the server somewhere. Right over here. So you can check that out if you want. Same with JD Library, they're using Intense now. In the run function. What over here? I think Discord.js does use TypeScript, don't they? Like this. Oh, well, that's pretty cool. You learn something new every day. That's awesome. I did not know that. See, in a language like Java, this would never slide. This would never slide in Java. Hey, I like that. That's dope. Yo, I'm gonna, let's see. Try something real quick. Is that, I think it's a different event. Oh, it's end. There we go. Okay. So once that's done, we're gonna have to save everything to a database. So right over here. What do I develop besides Discord bots? I develop full stack applications like web apps and stuff. And you can destruct guild channel in the run function too. Oh, that is. Oh, yeah, you probably wanted something like this, right? Guild. I need to look up some more stuff on object structuring. Well, destructuring is I guess shorter, I guess, in some ways. And it's also it looks more cooler in my opinion. But you have to install in the Windows Store. Sohan, you can just add MongoDB as an add-on. I think Heroku uses Mongo MLab. MLab, yeah. Actually, no, I just realized what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna warn you, Mongoose is pretty bad when it comes to RAM usage. Is it? Damn, that sucks. Yo, Lynx John, what's going on, dude? How's it going? Cause left. Cassie never. I don't think Cassie watches my stuff. Damn, I might have to go back to Sequelize then. I don't know, is Sequelize good in terms of RAM usage? 25 gigs, dude. Holy crap. That's crazy. What will happen when you're verified? I don't even know what's gonna happen. Maybe we'll celebrate, maybe we'll do something, who knows? I think these are the only functions I'll need. Dude, I used ESLint for like the first time like four weeks ago, and I absolutely love it. Like right now, the style that I'm following right now is just basically the same thing as the Airbnb ESLint style. But I don't actually have the linter installed, but still, like it enforces a certain style, which is pretty good. I might do a video on ESLint. Nitro is lame, is it? I don't really like Nitro though, but it's alright. Anthony B, I don't know who won, so let's just give Nitro to all of the 3 people facts. You know how Giveaway Bot has those emojis? How does it put them if they're not on the server? I think they have the permission to manage emojis and they'll create it. That's probably what they might do. ESLint, sometimes it's garbage. Some of the rules... Okay, look, ESLint itself is not garbage, but some of the rules that are part of the style guides are pretty bad. Like, there are some rules that are just actually garbage, but ESLint itself is amazing. Like, I love ESLint. Like, it actually does a good job at analyzing a lot of things. Such as, for example, if you have an if condition and if you're returning inside the if condition, then you don't need to have an else case because it's not going to hit that else case if it returns. When you verify, it'll be quite cool for the first few days, then it just dies down on you. That reminds me of how when I first got Discord Nitro. The no console log, yeah, that's something you gotta get used to. Okay, I think these are the only functions I'll need. So what we'll do is, what am I gonna do here? We have the service layer. So we're gonna import our commands or our functions. Get rule reaction, create rule reaction. So these are just simple CRUD operations. Yo, Saren's mod, did you get verified? I'm pretty sure you did get verified, right? I'd be surprised if you haven't gotten verified yet. Yo, I might do a video on my channel about Jest. I've been wanting to do that for a while, but Jest is pretty nice. Oh, Zaren, you did get verified. That's dope. You know what I just realized? I think there's probably one thing I should do. I think what I should do is I should probably check to see if the database already has a configuration already. And then we'll overwrite it. So, here's what I'll do. If it doesn't exist in the database, we'll continue. No, I might do something else though. I'll just say something like... "5 years of experience with making ESLint config." I made a multi-purpose bot, but it doesn't matter what type of bot it is. Alright, Yaddy Ball, have a good one, man. Take it easy. So if we're inside this end, then we know for a fact that the role reaction DB does not exist, so... You know what, I'll just do this. Wait a minute. Emoji rule mappings, and then after this, we're gonna have to react to every single message. We're not done yet. To be honest, adding to the structure is more better than doing it manually. Oh, do you mean like the actual object already? Yo, Fleek, what's going on? Fracture. I was thinking about that. I was thinking about making some kind of maybe some kind of bot where all the messages on the YouTube chat gets transmitted into the Discord chat. That'd be pretty sick. I might work on that tomorrow maybe. But like, we have a channel somewhere on the server. I was thinking of doing this. Look, earlier today. I was gonna make a couple of roles. And I wanted to make some rules where you can opt out of certain channels. So I know not everyone wants to see the help channels. So if you don't want to see the help channels, you can opt out of it, and it'll give you the no help role, and then you won't see the help channels. And then you can also hide yourself from, I don't know, collaboration and a bunch of other stuff that you just don't care about. So I'll probably do that later though. That would use up so many quotas though, it would. DJS stocks structures. Oh. I've seen it before. I know there's I seen the folder called structures. Allows for the extension of built-in Discord JS structures that are instantiated by managers. So what does this do exactly? Name of the structure class to extend. So what? This is a callback function. Class cool guild extends guild. Do ASMR. Yeah, I use DigitalOcean. So is this just a way to kind of like create your own like in-memory store or something? Oh, I see. My VPS only has 1 GB, unfortunately. I need more. I might upgrade it soon. I don't know. I might upgrade it. Let me see what are the other tiers. Let me double check. Uh, what is it? $20 a month. You get what? Let me see. So I have this tier right now. Cause I don't really do much hosting, but if I were to host a crazy bot, I would probably need a lot more than 1 GB of RAM. I don't know. I think maybe I'll consider getting the $40 a month one. We'll see though. 4 virtual CPUs, 8 gigabytes of RAM. Damn, that's crazy. I have an open source code if you want to see, but it's old and not tested, but I'm using V12 for a long time now. Yeah, sure. Yo, Basher, Jo, what's going on, man? I got 10 GB RAM for $9 a month with VPS. They have more plans too. That's freaking crazy. So what does this do? It adds structures to an array. What is structures in this case? Oh no, it adds it to the object. Oh, I see. So you create everything and then it adds it to this object down here. And that's equal to whatever extended is. So extended becomes what? Extender, and then it takes in structures of structure. So, wait, what does this do? Let me see. My credit card is locked, so... A friend of mine used to work there, so I got a lifetime discount. Damn, that's crazy. That's insane. Damn, my music paused again. And this actually looks pretty interesting structure. So, what is extender? So, it calls this function. So it invokes this function. And then it returns the class that extends whatever that structure is. Yo, that's crazy. Yo, that's crazy. Like, to my understanding, what's happening is it takes in this callback function, and then it gets invoked right over here, because this is basically just a function. This callback function gets invoked over here, and then it passes structures, whatever structure is, so guild, and then it passes in here, which is one of these imports. So let's say if it was guild, it's gonna require that there, extended, and it checks to see if extended is not a function. Checks to see if it's not an instance of structure, and if it's all good, then damn, that's crazy. Structures and then structure. So at guild is gonna equal to extended. Wait, but how does that work though? Because wait, over here it's just kind of replacing it. Structures, structure. So that's gonna reference guild is gonna equal to extended. Oh wait, but oh, yo, that is crazy. So it basically replaces the original guild with a subclass of the guild. Yo, that is crazy. Damn. They really did put a lot of thought into this. Oh, that is sick. How long have you been programming? 3.5 years. The funny thing is I watched like 5 vids of you today and then I saw this live stream. Yo, that's awesome. Which videos? Wow, this is actually really insane. That's actually really cool. Holy crap, that's actually really cool. I gotta see how I can use this now. That's actually really freaking cool. Holy crap. So that means for each guild, I can save all of the emoji reactions, so... And every single time it's updated. Oh yeah, let me check. So what is this? This is a message extends message. Is this for like a guild, like a guild specific giveaway? I'll have to read through everything. Put some more thought into it later. $30 a month for coding lessons? That's cheap, man. Wow. So I can basically just extend guild, and then wait a minute though. So if I extend the guild structure, that's gonna replace it. So that means I should be able to extend. Would I be able to extend again though? That's the real question. If you're teaching people to code, you should charge more. You're a good teacher. I appreciate it, man. I don't know. Not everyone has the money for that, so I try to put everything as reasonable as possible. For me personally, I don't really care so much about the money, so like I only do it. I only have it there just because I really enjoy doing it, so I don't really mind. So when you enjoy doing something, you don't really care so much about the cost that comes in return, like basically the compensation. So, but I do agree though, it is pretty expensive. Like a lot of times you'll have like private tutors for like a lot of money all the time for per hour, but it's all good. Damn, that's crazy. I really gotta spend some time practicing this. This is actually really freaking cool. I'm pretty sure there's a lot more stuff with the Discord.js library. Yeah, that's crazy. Alright, let's see. Alright, I need to actually test this out real quick before we do anything else. Yo, JJ Mods, what's going on, man? What tutorial do I watch after the beginner JS tutorial? Lee John, you should watch the object-oriented programming tutorials. Object-oriented programming is very important to understand in programming. What are you trying to ask, JJ Mods? Thoughts on Dino? Yo, I really wanna check out Dino. I took a look at it before, and it looks pretty cool. I definitely want to put some time into it, so I'll probably do that later. Not today, but like you should check out this repo called As Awesome as on GitHub. Oh yeah, JG Mods. I have a Discord server. If you check out the link in the description, it'll take you to it. Syndrasaurus Awesome. What is that? Let me see. New Mac OS apps for discovering and sharing GIFs is on Product Hunt. Oh, that's something else. Oh crap, yo, this is awesome. Holy crap, there's so much resources. Damn, Manish, you spent a lot of time browsing resources. That's good. See, when people say there aren't enough resources, you just ask Anish and he'll provide you like 1 billion of them. What does it take to become a verified dev? You need, I think, 75. You need your bot on 75 guilds, and you need to. Once that happens, they're gonna email you, and then you have to give them your passport and ID. Basically, you're selling your soul. No, I'm just kidding. They'll just DM you, and then yeah, you just give it to them. And then yeah, you get a nice shining badge at the cost of your personal data. Oh, I don't have that. Well, they'll easily know. Like they can just look at all of your they can just look at the guilds and check what the owner is, and they can just see like all the members in it. Yeah. That's what I like. I could just drop this, I just realized it right now, but it's fine. Anyways, let's see. Here's what I want to do. I know the message collector itself is going to give us all of the messages collected, but there might be like error messages, so I kind of want to save them somewhere, but we'll worry about that later. So what needs to happen is I need to react to this message with all of the emojis that were saved, so we're going to loop through, so... Crap, I just realized something. Dino chord is a thing, yeah it is. It's basically a secure runtime built on top of Rust. And there are a lot of improvements, like security, which is a huge thing. And instead of downloading packages, the way that what happens is you go on Dino.land. You go over here, and I think you have to just directly import the library like this. So I think what happens is when you run your program the first time, it's actually going to just download everything and cache it. I'm not sure if it actually caches it like forever. Yeah, if Cinderace can get to like a lot of guilds, I'll probably start using it with shards to see how it works. And I get to play around with sharding. I like how their user interface looks like a bootlegged GitHub. I like that. Like it's so nice. Like if you look at it, it literally looks like a. I mean, it probably is. I think it's its own repository. I think. Or no, it's probably from GitHub. Yeah, it's from GitHub. What am I talking about? What am I talking about? I want to spend some time into Dino. Elixir? Is Elixir a language? Oh, it's a functional programming language. Yo, I love functional programming. I think, doesn't Discord also integrate Erlang as well? It was either Erlang or Elixir. Okay, I don't know if this for each is gonna have an issue with reacting. Hopefully it'll react in the correct order, but I don't think it really matters though. Reaction message. Oh, do they? I don't know if... Hold on, is there actual... Hold on. I gotta check something real quick. What's Discord IA? Discord IA. Is that an actual thing? Discord API written in Lua. Hold on, I think I can do this too. Yo, I'm trying to get better at Vim, man. Like, I installed Vim on my computer, and I actually really like Vim. Especially if you're on a virtual private server. Vim is, like, crucial. Let me see. Can I iterate through a map like this for const? Can I do this? I don't know if I can. Hopefully it doesn't yell at me. I know you can do that with objects, but I don't know if you can do that with a map. Hopefully I don't get a syntax error. Okay, so far nothing. Const key value. With a map, right? Object entries. Yeah, you're right. I just wanted to see what the error. I just wanted to see if it was going to throw an error. Alright, let's see. Oh wait, I gotta drop it from the database. Okay, there we go. What's going on? Alright, Fractor, have a good one, man. Use object.entries, it'll convert to array. Okay. Let's see. I sent the message for const key value of object.entries. I don't think it actually, I don't think it actually, I think I did it wrong. Oh, let me actually just link it here. God damn it. Oh, right over here. I'm gonna start that repository in just a sec. Okay, yeah, it's not looping. Let me, I think I did something wrong. That's weird. For some reason, it's giving me an empty array. That's so weird. Oh, does that only work for map? I think I need to use something else. Yeah, because over here, I'm testing it out right now. I have this map over here. For some reason, it gives me an empty array. Maybe I'm using it wrong. Map to array. .javascript. I think maybe array from y. So what we could do something like for const. Okay, I think we could do that. I think this could work. Array.from. So many of these high-level functions, I don't really get to use them too much. Why not use Discord just collection of instead of a map? I should. I should. Yeah, you're right. I should. I keep forgetting because I'm so used to just using maps for everything. Yeah, that's true. Okay. What was going on there? Oh, what? Oh, that's strange. That's only giving me the, I think I need something else, actually. Is there another, Let me check the docs. Apparently this only, hold on. That was only giving me, I think, the values, I think, or the keys, one of them. Yeah, so this is what it was, 5-7. So, if you see over here, look, if I console log the collection, right over here, I had a emoji role mappings.array, and that gave me this for some reason. It didn't give me everything else. Yeah, it's only giving me that individual. I mean, I had that originally. Okay, so, oh, okay, I see. I got it. Okay, so the first entry is gonna be what's it called? The, emoji. I think that's all I need. So, and I'll just do, connection message. Okay, there we go. Hey, there we go. Alright, now I just gotta do something to clear all these stupid messages. Okay. Make a make a purge command. TS tut when? Soon. Oh, they actually do have a server for Dino. That's awesome. Give me one sec. Let's raid the Dino Discord. Await the reactions so it's in order. Okay. Oh yeah, I forgot. We're not in for each. Yeah, that's honestly one of the reasons why I hate using for each so much. Uh okay. Um okay, I think I got it. Here's what I'm gonna do. I'm gonna do this. Message manager dot delete. I need a, I think what is bulk delete, I think? Text channel. Bulk delete. And you can pass in a collection of messages. Or an array of messages. Okay, that's fine. So that's what I'll do. Actually, you know what I'll do here? I could probably just like push this directly to the array. We'll push that and then finally we'll do what if JavaScript was like SQL? Then your caps lock will be broken. Because like literally everything in SQL, well not, it's even though it's like case insensitive, but like majority of like the guides, they always use like capitalization for everything. Yo, Nova Ghost, what's up, man? Yeah, it's case insensitive, but most guides and most people, like they always follow like capitalization for like everything. Yeah, it's like basic. It's like basic. Type ORM. I didn't delete the messages. I might not have permissions. Yeah, I don't have permissions to... Wait, no, I should have permissions. It didn't bulk delete for some reason. Oh, it did. What the hell? It did. I just completely didn't even... that just happened like it... Holy crap. Alright, now... Let's try this out in a different channel. Message not found. Wait, why does it still say that though? What the hell? If message is not found... Wait, what? Oh, I think I know why. I don't think returning in here would actually do anything though. I don't think returning in this callback is actually going to do anything though. Yeah, no, that's not going to do anything. Do I have to use try catch here? Because I'm guessing what's happening is this entire thing is throwing an error. That's why it's saying message not found. But since this returns, I guess, undefined or something, this ends up being truthy, so it goes down here. But then over here, though, it's going to find message reaction. But it was not found, so I don't understand why it still sent that. That's so weird. There's definitely not a message that, that is a bug that should not be happening. Trivia, how many ESs are there? Every year that you live, there's gonna be a new ES. There's gonna be a new version of ES. Yeah, I think I know why. This is probably returning on the find. Oh, it's not. The hell? So confused. What is reaction message? Dot fetch. Oh wait, does dot fetch return a collection? I think I. Oh wait. Oh, it returns a collection. Well, wait a minute. I don't get it though. If you pass in an invalid ID. Oh. I see. Okay, that is not good. That is not good. I just want to fetch one message though. But for some reason, it's fetching a collection. And I'm looking at the docs and it says, maybe I could try this. What are the options? Can I pass in an ID? No, it won't let me. Oh, wait, no. I can't pass an ID. This is tricky. This is just gonna be one message, I think. So weird, I don't get why that's happening. It's fetching. I watch your videos a lot and before but I didn't know I was unsubscribed. That's unfortunate. Dynamic help for Slappy, what do you mean? I only want one message though, and if the message doesn't exist, then I just want to just send a message in return. But I don't know why. I mean, I guess what I could do is why don't I just do this? And then what I'll do is, let's see. I think this automatically caches it. So what I'll do is I'll do const reaction message equals. Yeah, but the issue is this is what's happening. So the message is not found. That's exactly what should be happening. But then what happens is it fetches the other message for some reason, which I don't get why. Because I saw in it was a collection that was returned, and that's not what I wanted. So since over here, since reaction message is truthy, because here's what I thought. I thought if it fetched the message, right? If it was found, then it would return the actual message. But if it wasn't found, it would return undefined or falsy value. That's what's going on here. But since it's truthy, the negation of that is going to be false, which is why it goes down over here. First, fetch the channel and then fetch the message. So here's the thing that I was never aware of. When should you actually fetch channels? That's something that I'm just not really too aware of. Like, when should you actually fetch channels? Yeah, there you go. See, content of undefined. That's what's going on over here. It's undefined, so yeah. I mean, I guess that also works too, because we're fetching the messages. But you're saying to fetch the channels instead? If you fetch the channel, does it fetch all the messages? I feel like it does, or I feel like it should. Yeah, oh yeah, it does. Since every single method that returns a promise, I think every single promise that is returned is from the API, which makes sense, or majority of them at least. If you fetch the channel, so that means the messages should be. Let me check something real quick. Hold on. ID. What is ID? The channel. Okay. So if it's not in the cache, okay, I think, but it only fetches the channel though. Does it actually okay. Yeah. What did I have before again? We fetch the message and then I mean we could try. I mean we can try this. And see if it actually returns the content. If we fetch the correct message, obviously it'll return the correct thing, but the thing that I was trying to test was making sure that it didn't work for unknown messages. And that's what's happening here. Okay. But if I see if I did this message, it would not throw an error. Or it did throw an error. Oh wait, did it? Oh, it did. Okay, I guess okay, let's try this again. Okay, there we go. So that works. We have another issue now. Raw reaction configuration schema, guild ID. Oh, okay. Should we do something where each guild? Actually, nah. No point. Well, I'll set this to false. I think the only thing that needs to be unique is message ID. That's really it. Yeah, I think message ID is the only thing that needs to be unique. Dino is exploding, is it? Okay, message not found. Good. What if I do? Perfect. It's exactly what I want. Yeah, sure. Sure. Let me do this. Actually, yeah. I should do a delay maybe instead. I'll do a delay. Alright, yeah, I'll take a look at it in just a sec. Python, Twitter, CP+. Hey, there we go. Okay, cool. Alright, so now... Oof. How do I want to do this? I want to try to see if I can use structures. How am I going to do that? Let me take a look at the thing you sent me. Every boot up will read all existing documents in the DB. If it's not there, it'll inherit from the object specified in memory. This is for structures, right? Yo, Zach sucks. What's going on? I'm making a roll reaction bot right now. Wait a minute. So wait, Anish, you're saying that if I just, as long as I save it to the structure, it's gonna synchronize with the database? Yo, cause if that's so, what the hell? That's freaking sick. Is that actually, is that what it is? That's what I interpreted it as. Every boot up, it'll read all existing documents. So you're saying that Discord.js will take care of reading the documents, or is that something that I have to do myself? Does I know Discord.js has a provider for database, but Yeah, it needs to sync from the database. So wait, okay. But like the thing is, Discord JS doesn't have a provider for the database, right? I think that's something you're saying. That's something that I have to do myself. But so every single time, but here's the thing: if the bot goes offline, then yeah, everything's gone from memory. So when it goes online, we have to read everything from the database. Okay, so if I'm understanding this correctly, when the bot goes online, my responsibility is to read all the configurations from the database and then load it into memory by putting it inside the structure. Okay, I see. So, okay. Hopefully I'm getting that correct. You load information when required only. So, okay, so if that's the case, then I guess I should only load it when someone actually reacts to the message. So for example, let's say if our bot goes offline, uh, I mean it went offline right now, okay. And what should happen is when I react to this message, I should fetch the database for this document that corresponds to all of these emojis. And then once that's fetched, I guess that's gonna happen inside the message reaction add event. Then that's where you're gonna extend the structure and then build on top of it. So that guild is going to have the structure itself. Hopefully I'm getting that correct. Yo, what's up, Flow Development? Okay, yeah, sure. I'm gonna get off in like 20 minutes, so, but I'll have to definitely look into this. Is actually really interesting. I'm glad that you brought this up. Really interesting stuff. And it's probably gonna change the way that you can build bots. Anson, don't you only need like a bot like 8 servers? Yes. Do you know about bots for any game server? Husky, what do you mean, like 5M servers? I'm not sure what you mean. Free leaks, yes, that's correct. How many bots? Mine is only in 52 guilds right now, but the issue is that it's in like a lot of ghost guilds, ghost servers, so that's not really nice. Is there a specific... Oh, I think you sent it. Hey, first I'm watching your stream. Do you make money off making bots? No, I don't. I don't really sell bots. I mean, I never did. I just make them for fun. That's all I do. Don't really care too much about that. But I mean, I have something on my Patreon, so if anyone ever subscribes to that, then I'll be more than happy to make them a cool bot. I'm trying to figure out what. So hold on, let me see. Okay, so yeah, this is the structure. So I'm trying to see how I can interpret this. So hold on, let me see. Class user extends user. Hold on. Do you only extend one structure? I mean, let me rephrase that. You only extend a structure once, right? Like you don't extend it multiple times, or is it extended for every single guild? Oh yeah, I am a YouTube partner, so that's pretty nice. I like it a lot. So. Oh really? Wait. Seriously? Wait. What? It extends for every single guild? Is there something that I'm missing that I just overlooked? It extends for every guild. Damn, that's crazy. Okay, wait. So, here's the real question. How do I actually reference the structure, though? Structures.gets. How does this work? Yo, I'll acclademy. Yeah, no problem, man. Thanks for checking the stream. Really appreciate it. Have a good one, dude. Yeah, you got that right. I don't know how to pronounce your name, Japanese characters, but yeah, you got that right. Of Klasa. Oh, okay. Me? No. Get, I would say, for specific TypeScript stuff. But I'm trying to understand though. So, in Discord JS, each structure is extended for every single guild. But here's the thing: how do you actually retrieve the correct structure for the guild if that's the case? Yeah, you're watching Anton. A skid? No. Because wait, well, actually, wait a minute. If we're getting the structure, let's see something real quick. I think guild might have. Let's see. Does guild have a some kind of field that keeps track of all the structure? It has to, right? It has to. Apparently not. Okay. Let me try something real quick. Let me try something. I'm gonna try this, and I might get off in just a couple minutes because I'm pretty tired. Let's see. Okay, so you extended guild. So when you call a structures.get, oh, I see. So this, oh, I see. Okay, I think I get what you're saying now. Let me try something real quick. Experimental purposes, but let me try something. This might not be the right way, but let me see what I can do. And then let me take a look at yours real quick. So what you did was you passed in the parameter of, well, you did extend guild empty parameter, but then but then it returns the bolt guild, which is the structure itself, and that's what this is. Okay, I see what you did. Okay, so this is supposed to return. All right, let me see what happens here. Okay. So that didn't throw an error, which is good. If I'm correct, it's gonna log twice? No, it didn't log at all. Huh. Just add something. Uh, do I have to create a new instance of this? Because it says it cannot be invoked without new. So somewhere I gotta create an instance of this. I don't know if you guys heard that. There was a freaking motorcycle. There was a motorcycle outside. Require. Yeah, I'm looking at it right now. Yeah, sure, I appreciate it, dude. So wait a minute. Okay, so this structure, the thing I'm trying to understand is, okay, so right now we have the structure that extends guild, and it has all this data. So inside the structure, I can, so okay, so for the structure, this is for role manager though. So what if I did something like, what is this ref 2 thing? This is like something I've never seen before. I've never seen this before. It's something new? I don't know. Okay, well it's saying 0, which is not good. Huh. Let me see. Yeah, I can see that there's nothing here for all, like, if I look at all of the stuff here, there's like nothing. Oh, let me see. So the person who asked about the giveaway code, I'm gonna add it later. Not now though. Yo, Alberto, thank you so much, man. I really appreciate it, dude. Thank you a lot, man. If you aren't already, definitely join the server, man. Really appreciate it, dude. Let me check the server. Then you only import require that file to the main file. This just already invokes it, so you don't have to. Make getter function and doing message guild test something. Oh. Okay, so are you saying important to the main file over here? Mohar, what's up, man? How's it going? You said import it to the main file. Love my glasses, thanks, man. Appreciate it. Channel banner. That was like an old channel banner from like a long time ago. Okay, wait a minute. So I'm probably doing something wrong. I'm probably doing something wrong. Uh. Oh. I think I named it wrong. Oh wait, no. I imported it in bot.js here. Yo, I just found this post on Google. It's talking about structures. This was, this was 2 months ago, which was very recent. It's structure, right? Structures or structure? Structures. Just making sure. Okay, and now, I have to do what message? Oh. Alright, let's see. Yo, what the hell? That's sick. The Unicode emoji's not working though. Yo, that is sick. Okay, so that is the correct text channel, but what is data though? Wait a minute. Where does the data come from? I'd like to know that. Should I do a 6 or 30 patron? Oh, they'll go big or go home. Is there a way to like integrate patron subscriptions with Streamlabs? I gotta figure that out. And I gotta make a I should make a channel on my Discord server for like YouTube stuff. Like whenever I stream, we can do like a chat there. That'd be sick. It's basically the Discord JS classes. Yo, this is sick. What the hell? Holy crap. So you're extending message, okay, but then you have the guild parameter. And what does this do? It extends. Hold on, wait a minute. Here's what I'm trying to understand. Why are you extending message again though? That's the thing I'm trying to understand. And class extends. Is this? I've never seen this syntax before. I mean, I know what extending is, but I thought you always needed the actual name of the class. Wait, what? So yeah, so it should be message. Yeah, you got it right. You got it right. It was you said message. You got it right. Okay, so you're extending the message structure. And then class extends. I've never seen that before. Cause don't you need the I mean, is it necessary though, or oh, okay. Wow, this is actually really cool. Yo, I gotta spend more time on this. Oh, is it? Okay. Okay, so I guess guild is the parameter. But, I mean, if guild is never being used, though, do we really need guild? Like, if I removed it, and if I did this, would that really have any effect? I doubt it. It still works the same way, which is good. Okay, but, huh. Interesting. You know what I'm gonna do tomorrow? What I'll do is I'll go through like the source code of structures and kind of like see how everything is done underneath the hood. I think that would also give me, like, on top of what you've given me today, I think maybe that would also help me understand this too. But I definitely do get it, like, get the whole point of it. Like, that is actually crazy. This means making... Yo, does Arella.js do this? Does Arella.js do this? I would not be surprised if you told me that they do it, because this is actually freaking crazy. Oh yeah, I remember the last time I checked the repository, I noticed that your name was up there. That was pretty cool. They have to use structures, don't they? I remember you told me you were a contributor, like you were updating something, so I'm assuming. I'm assuming. Not yet, but coming soon. Wow. Yo, what's up, Techie? Dude, that is freaking insane, dude. Holy crap. Dude, that is crazy. Literally, like, you never need... Yo, I wish I knew about this, like, a while ago. And you said earlier that if something updates in the structure, what happens again? Everything gets updated? I forgot. I think something along the lines of that. I hope this article explains what structures are. That would suck if they didn't. Before we get plagiarized, we need to extend because we get it properly. I can kind of try to understand it from here, but it's fine. So basically, it gives global guild configurations. Wow, that's crazy. Every time I play or stream it, my dog growls and barks at my computer. He PogChamp GIF or Pog or Kappa GIF. I don't know. Which one's better? I should put more gifts. Time to sleep for me. See you the other day. Yo, Alberto, yo, thanks so much again for the donation, man. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And have a good night, dude. Yeah, this is really interesting. Yo, this is crazy, dude. I really need to dig into the source code now and really just see what everything is like. 'Cause this is like, holy crap, dude. Holy crap, this is crazy. Yo, if you have any resources about structures, send it my way. Like, yo, this is something that people need to know about. Like, I'm surprised, like, there aren't that many. Like, I'm surprised this is not a popular topic, and this has been around for how long? I'm pretty sure this has been around for a very long time. Discord.js structure. Are there videos on this? I don't see any videos on YouTube at all talking about this. I don't. This is legit game changing right here. Game changing. Anyways, yo, it's 8:16 right now for me. I'm gonna get off. Yo, Anish, shout out to you, man. I really appreciate it. Thanks so much for helping me out with the structures thing. I learned a lot, man. Holy crap. Like, my mind is just blown, dude. The more you learn. This is gonna be so... This is gonna be game-changing, man. For, like, legit anything that you want to do. Holy crap, dude. And, like, earlier, I was working on my own global store for every guild. That's why earlier... I don't know if you saw this earlier, but... I had all this crap inside of my, message event. And this was responsible for storing global messages, like keeping track of every message. And I kind of just like brute forced it, so I didn't really put much thought into it. So obviously it looks like crap, but dude, with structures, dude, damn, man, that's freaking game changing, dude. Yeah, man. All right, yo, thank you guys so much for checking out the stream, man. Really appreciate it. Really appreciate you guys for chatting, interacting, and all that kind of stuff. It lets me learn more every single day. I'll see you guys tomorrow because I'll be streaming again. So, peace out, guys.